Hello and welcome back, everybody. I have a special treat for y'all today. I've been lighting this cave for a long time. It's called the Lost Cave, and it's really awesome because it's been used back in the War of 1812 and the Mexican-American War as a place to mine saltpeter to make gunpowder. It's a really awesome place. After the mining operations were done, it was lost for a long time through the Civil War and finally found again. So it's been really intriguing to me. I finally made it out here. I'm super pumped. We have about 3,700 feet of passageway to get through, and it's gonna be a blast. I finally made it. And I got the cave crew, Trevor, Rusty, and Ashby went a little bit ahead of us, but if you haven't done so already, check out his YouTube channel. He has awesome caving videos. And if you enjoy my stuff and cave adventures, please like and subscribe. And other than that, let's get in there, grab your flashlights, and get ready to get muddy.
Right up to my left.
Look at all these signatures. Wow. 1898. I think this goes somewhere. That kind of pinches out.
There's another bat.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, turn around.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
trying not to warm him up or wake him up, but he's right here.
Hey, little guy. I'm gonna try and keep my light off of him. Oh, damn, there's another one there.
Oh, yeah.
might be a rat's nest.
Well, maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I think that's a rat's nest.
Yeah.
That's what they do. Is they like to collect little things they find and build it into their nests.
So I think there's a stream, a pretty sizable stream around here. That's what I was thinking about snow. But it's since dried up. Maybe when the river was higher.
Yeah.
It was prettier.
Makes sense.
Whoa. Ray Fawcett. 1946? Yeah. Dude, that's cool. So we went through the maze earlier. This is actually the main passage. This leads back to the mine workings. Mudman and his mud fort. It's cool.
Little food storage area.
Another rat's nest. Yep. Interesting.
Was there any trash in that one?
No, just a lot of acorns. Wow. More bones. Alright, so we're pushing along a lot of crawlways back through the main tunnel. It's been very tight and it opened up in here, but we just spotted this old can. I can't even see any logos or anything. It's corroded so bad, but I'm kind of wondering if this was part of the mining operations. What do you think?
I don't know.
Hard to say.
Looks like you can.
Looks like it's possible. Let's see what else we find.
Down here a little bit.
There he is. How cool is that?
Mm-hmm.